Make a magic circle using the Magic Circle Tool. Press the end of the yarn into the top slit with the groove facing towards you. Turn it sideways and wrap the yarn around it twice. Make an X and hold with your index finger. With the hook facing down, insert it under the first loop and grab the second, pulling through. Pull it up and twist it a little onto the hook. Then reach over and pull the working yarn through the loop on the hook. Grab the working yarn and pull it tight. Put your index finger on the yarn on the hook to hold it in place. Then insert the hook into the groove and under the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Reach over top, yarn over again, and pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. Repeat this 5 more times to complete 6 stitches. When you're done, the stitches on the other side will look like little letter V's. When your stitches are complete, make a bigger loop by pulling on the hook. Pause this video and count the V stitches to make sure you have 6 of them. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Take your magic circle round off of the tool by grabbing the loop and the last stitch, gently wiggling the whole round free. To tighten the circle, hold the same last stitch and loop and pull the tail until the circle closes.